Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you will be fine also. May Allah bless you. Keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. So viewers, today I share this video. I hope you will love these designs. So viewers, this gallery picture gorgeous indoor water fountain and waterfall that can enhance any room in the house. They offer the tranquility of the soft trickling sound of water, along with gentle mood lighting to drama to space, and the natural beauty of flower watering of flowing water. In the picture above is a large transparent waterfall that acts as both a dramatic backdrop and room divider. The indoor waterfall is created by transparent waterfall system. The fountain with clear, transparent or decorative glass panel. So viewers, please subscribe my channel. After subscribe my channel, you will receive new notification and new updates related to decoration ideas. Please support my channel. Be connected with me. I will meet in my next video. Inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.